Did you know you can keep your pepper plants year after year? It's called overwintering. When the weather starts getting too cold, you can bring your pepper plants indoors and give it a little haircut. I only overwinter any plants that produced well, stayed healthy, and showed no signs of disease. It also gives the plant a jump start in the next season. Here I'll show you how I overwinter my habanero plant. First thing I do is spray my clippers with rubbing alcohol so I'm not spreading diseases from plant to plant. You want clean clippers. I mean, we clean our clippers after every time we use them, right? You'll want to cut off all the leaves, and when we are done, it will look a little sad. Don't worry though, these plants are resilient and will bounce back. If it's not a healthy plant, it might not survive overwintering, but that's why I only choose the best plants. Last year I overwintered a ghost pepper, Hungarian wax pepper, and cayenne pepper. The Hungarian pepper was the only one that didn't survive. Since habanero peppers take a really long time to grow, I'm going to compare the overwintered pepper to the one I start from seed next year. Now that all the leaves are gone, it's time to trim the stems. You'll see the leaf nodes here, which will produce leaves and more branching similar to tomato suckers. Cut back any stems that aren't a part of the Y shape. Since this plant branched out into two Y shapes from the main stem, I will just leave those. Cutting the stems down will also give you a bushier plant. It's time to repot. I'll move the plant into a smaller container with fresh potting soil so I'm not overwintering any pests or eggs. You don't want to just pull the stem while you're trying to take out the plant, but loosen the soil around the root ball. Now I'm going to give the root ball a nice massage to get all the soil out of the roots. Give it a little shake too. Now to cut any of the straggler or damaged roots. Next, let's fill up the new container with potting soil. I filled the pot with soil in the bottom, then put the plant roots in and fill the soil around the plant. Here is what the plant looks like after his haircut. Final step is to give the plant some water. You don't want to overwater the plant, which can lead to root rot, but giving its first initial drink while it goes dormant is important. You will want to water it throughout the winter just enough to keep it alive. We aren't trying to produce new growth until the spring. I keep it indoors with 60s or 70 and no grow lights. Once it's closer to spring, I will put it under grow lights so it can start to produce leaves. You don't need to fertilize until spring as well. I hope this video helps you on overwintering your own pepper plants. It's so rewarding to see them come back year after year, and I've seen people keep peppers alive for 5 years or more. If you want to join our plant community where you can show off your harvest, talk gardening, and share tips and tricks, join my Discord. I will leave a link down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.